Many of us are doing lots of things to make things better in our lives, but how willing are we to let them get better? It's like I could say that I'm putting in the effort to try to make it better, but I may still have some resistance to it actually being better for all kinds of unconscious reasons. So I'm taking the 4 steps forward and then taking at least 3 steps back, if not five. Not because we're bad or stupid, but because we have programming about why things probably couldn't or shouldn't be better. Let's do some tapping to clear that resistance, shall we? So, taking full responsibility for your own well being. I choose to be willing for things to get better. And I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to be willing for things to get better. And I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to be willing for things to get better. And part of me might say, that sounds ridiculous. Of course, I'm willing for things to get better. I'm trying hard to make them better. But I also might sometimes sabotage that. I choose to be more willing for things to get better. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who might be involved. Because I choose to feel that free. I choose to be more willing for things to get better. So I'm clearing any resistance to things getting better. And part of me resists the idea that I have any resistance. But if I really look at what I'm up to, I might be putting in effort to move forward. But I also might be taking steps backward. I might find ways to limit the results I get, clearing any shame or blame about that. It's not that I'm bad or stupid. It's not that I'm weak or lazy. I may just have a lot of old programming about why things couldn't or shouldn't be better. I have programming telling me to make it better. I've been taught to put in the effort, but I also might have been taught that I'm not allowed to get the positive results. A lot of old misunderstandings, either mine or someone else's, and I'm releasing those. It's okay for me to get the positive results. It's safe for things to be better. Clearing any old doubts or fears about that. I'm allowing myself to be even more willing for things to get better and better in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Allow yourself more and more freedom to get the results that you'd really like, the results that would really benefit you and others. Please and thank you. And if other stuff gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.